Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. We have finally reached the big day. Today I promised you that I would have a massive announcement to announce on behalf of myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements. And as you may see in front of you is our very own trading platform. Now myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements have been working around the clock for the past 3 to 6 months to try and make this possible, and we are so happy with the final product and so happy to be able to share it all with you. So as you can see in front of us is our very own trading platform. It looks professional, it looks slick, but most important of all, it is user friendly. I myself have used numerous amounts of trading platforms in the past, the likes of IC Markets, Trading 212, IG, City Index, XTB, and there's always been that one or two things that I quite just don't like about the trading platform. So I've actually taken all of the faults from the other trading platforms, and I've built this platform alongside one of the top software companies in the world when it comes to trading platforms, etc. And I've made this platform to our very own preference. So this is the fantastic type of trading platform to be used to follow our signals. Why do I say that? I say that because many of you who follow our trading signals or who follow our videos on a daily basis, your accounts are trading under different leverages. You're trading under different spread fees, which of course then means that you're trading under different prices. So when I send a signal to go and buy a specific asset, the likelihood is on your trading platform, that specific asset is at a completely different price. So going forward, all of the videos that I do on YouTube, all of the signals that I send out, I will be using the exact same prices as seen on our trading platform, the same leverage, the same risk management. So it is very important, if you are a daily watcher of our videos, to go ahead and create an account on our trading platform. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video where you can just scroll down now, click on that link, which will then take you to our website. All of the information you need to know about our platform, our fees, our legal documents, it's all on that website. So if you go ahead, click on that link, and that's where you'll also be able to open up a trading account with us. And from now on, you really will be able to trade alongside us. And also going forward, a lot of our videos here on YouTube are going to change. We're going to be filming all of our videos now on our trading platform, as you can see in front of you. But as well as that, you may notice that I've got a balance of roughly $10,000. This is a live trading account, so I've just funded myself with $10,000, and I'm now going to be trading the 5 videos that I publish on a daily basis, which are the gold markets, Nasdaq, S&P 500, crude oil, and the Euro US dollar. I'm going to be trading live, opening live positions from a day-to-day basis, so you can really see whether I am a profitable trader or not. All of the risk is also going to be used. So if you would like to join my journey alongside me from a day-to-day basis, it would be a fantastic opportunity to go click on that link, fund your trading account, and follow my journey from a day-to-day basis. But back to the gold markets. In front of me is the gold markets. We've had a very negative day today. We traded all the way down from 1900 this week to achieving prices down at 1775. So as you can see, left hand side, we have the gold over the US dollar markets, and that's one thing I forgot to mention, on our trading platform. We have several markets that we have to offer. If I just scroll up, we have we have major forex pairs, we have cryptocurrencies, all of the cryptocurrencies, which we're really excited about. That's a new feature. We have the likes of oil, Brent, gold, you name it, silver, under that section. And then indices, we have a broad range of indices, the majority of global indices, and most important of all, one of my favorites is the US equities. We have some of the biggest stocks out there, the likes of Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, all on our platform. So really excited about that. But back to the gold markets. As I just mentioned, we've had a negative day, we've had a negative week, and a very ugly chart. Looking at this chart, we sparked a nice rally all the way from that 1680 all the way up to 1900. But you probably realize on this chart we are lacking a few indicators. So I made it very, very simple on our platform to add the indicators that I use on a daily basis. You just click here. We're going to use the moving averages. So everyone who's been watching my videos for some time, you'll know that I love to use a EMA. So I usually have a 50-day EMA. I'm just going to enter that figure in there, which I always have red, so that's correct. And I'm just going to make that line a little bit thicker. There we go, there's a 50-day EMA. And we're also going to add the 200-day EMA. So change it to EMA. And I always like the color blue for my EMAs. And then of course I love an RSI, very, one of the best indicators out there. We have it on a 14-day moving average, 3 pixel. We can have that in color blue. There we go. So here are the indicators of my choice on the chart. Gold's currently up at 1772. Now, I mentioned earlier on in this week that if we broke below the 200-day EMA, we're heading straight towards 1680. And although I do believe that this is still the case, one thing that is of concern is that our RSI, as you can see, the bottom right of our screen, is down at 26. Now, anything under the price of 30 is considered to be oversold. So that right now is telling me that gold is oversold. So I'm actually going to place a nice little quick buy trade here. I'm going to trade up towards 1796 because that is the highs of today's trading session, because I'm looking for a little snapback here as we have become oversold. And then, once we go up and trigger my take profit price on this gold trade, then I will become a seller, targeting down towards that 1680 area, which were the lows that we achieved back in March. Yeah, this area here. So I'm going to go ahead and place that buy position. If you just watch how I do that on the platform, really easy. You go and create order. There's actually something really cool that I've had added to our trading platform, which I want you guys to check out. So take profit, we have a take profit calculator, so it will tell me how much profit I'm expected to make. I'm going to put my take profit up at 1795. We're currently trading at 1772, so I'm going to put my stop loss down at 1760. There we go. So we pretty much got a 2-for-1 risk reward ratio here. And then we have something awesome up at the top here. We have a risk management calculator. So it tells us how much of our account we are going to risk on this trade. So right now, if I was to invest 265, I would be risking 2.66% of my overall 10k balance. So I am looking to risk about 1% here. So there we go. No, that's 5%. So let's say 0.10. So I'll risk 2.5% here. I think that's a good 2.5% of this trade. That should be it. There we go. So to risk 2.5% of my account balance or my stop loss with a potential profit of 4.5%, I need to have the required margin of 354, which represents a 3.5% 4% of the margin. So going forward, whenever I post free signals and VIP signals, I'm actually going to tell you guys of how much of your accounts you should be risking for this specific trade. So I'm going to go ahead now and click buy. There we go. That is my very first trade on our trading platform. We now have a buy position, which you can now monitor on a day-to-day basis alongside me. So I do anticipate for gold to have a little bounce back here due to the fact on the RSI we are as low as 25. Even if we got a snap back to 30, that should represent a move back up towards my take profit just below 1800 here. So I am a buyer of gold markets going into Monday. Don't get me wrong, I think going into the end of next week, we will see some more downside pressure, perhaps down towards that 1680 level. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. I've left a link for our trading platform in the description of this video. Scroll down, click on that link, fund your accounts, and you can be trading within minutes.